I'm Gina, and I'm here with Dan Cox, our co-host of The Moment.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, anytime. So I'm so excited about all of these his and her products that we have today. Make sure to stick around because the last item we are highlighting is our men's box. This is our very first men's box. How excited are you?
Really excited about this because I steal my girlfriend's products out of her FabFitFun box, so now I can have my own.
And she can maybe steal some of your products.
Exactly.
So first up today, we have the Grace and Stella Bath Bombs. This set includes 4 different bath bombs. There's one to energize you, to calm you, one to make you healthy, and of course, one for good vibes. Because who doesn't want hashtag good vibes only with your glass of wine in your bath at the end of the day?
There's not a lot of things better than a bath bomb at the end of the day. And if you have trouble sleeping, taking a warm bath with one of these really helps out, get you some nice rest.
These are so nice. Here, smell one. Such a pretty color, too.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
A big fan.
This is one your boyfriend will steal, too.
Oh, yeah, definitely. So an extra plus is that they are paraben-free, vegan, and the packaging is made from recycled material. So basically, you're taking care of yourself, and you're also taking care of the environment. All right, so next up, one of our favorite brands. They've been featured in our edit sales before. This brand is Black, and this is their body scrub. It's made with activated charcoal and will help to exfoliate, nourish, and rebalance your skin. Honestly, I'm into body scrubs. Ooh, wow,
yeah.
That's nice. Very into body scrubs. They leave your skin so smooth and firm. What are your thoughts?
I love it. So I actually recently, I'm not afraid to admit it, started using some scrubs.
Amazing.
And it makes your skin feel a lot better than what it did before. And then it also, when you're like washing after you use a scrub, it feels like that much cleaner.
Yeah, right? It's just like an extra kind of luxury step when you have the time to really enjoy your shower.
And speaking of cleansing, I'm really excited about this one. This is the Pilot Men's Castile Soap. And I mean, who can pass up an all-purpose cleanser that works as shampoo, face wash, body wash, and literally any other part of your body? So
anything that needs cleansing.
The thing I love about this is I hate having like 5 different soaps and shampoos and everything. This, just having one in your shower is amazing. So
yeah, and think about this, girls. Oh, wow, I love that. It's just refreshing and easy. Think about this, girls. The less products your man has, the more room you have for your own products. So it's a win-win, really.
It is, and this is an amazing kind of peppermint essence. If you've ever showered with peppermint, it's very nice. The ingredients are also sustainably sourced and made right here in the USA.
Oh, awesome. And we love bringing in new brands. This is a first-time brand for us, and we're really excited to bring them on. All right, next up, we have a foot cream. Now, Dan, I need to know, are you using foot cream?
So I personally haven't used it, but I guess I have because I've done pedicures.
Oh.
So technically, there has been foot cream on my feet before.
I'm a big pusher of the man pedicure. I think it's a big necessity that a lot of people forget about, but
your man may go kicking and screaming, but they'll thank you after.
Yes, agreed. And you will thank yourself for doing that to him. So next up, we have the Dr. Schwab Peppermint Foot Cream. Not only does it go on super well, but it's a mix of sage and mint. It's a really refreshing scent, and it's perfect for the holidays.
Yeah.
So let's give it a smell.
Don't you want your feet to smell like peppermint, not anything else?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It actually goes well with this.
A nice little combo for a good smelling dude.
Yeah.
So now that our bodies are all clean and smooth, we have to take care of that mouth. Happy's Silver Toothpaste definitely looks a little odd and might take some getting used to, but it utilizes ancient medical practices to make sure that you have the freshest breath around, and it tastes like cinnamon.
And the cool thing is, if you're not familiar with silver, silver has been used for a long time as a natural antibiotic. So you can spray silver on cuts, spray it in your throat if you have any kind of infection. But yeah, now it'll basically kind of cleanse out your teeth a little bit.
Oh, I love that. And so, for those of you who are unfamiliar with a natural toothpaste, it does take some getting used to. You're basically just going to scoop out about a blueberry-sized piece from here. It's not going to suds up the way a normal toothpaste would. But once you kind of get the groove of it, honestly, it's all about transitioning into natural products. I think more and more every day people are finding that the products they use every day have ingredients that they've never heard of, and personally, I'm not super cool with that. I like to know what I'm putting in my body or on my skin, so super excited about that. So we'd love to check in on some comments from you guys. So Ray just said that he loves being a member. We love having you, Ray, and we're so glad we can feature some extra products for you.
Ray, get excited. There's some good stuff coming.
Yes, and Misty says she gave her daughter the bath bombs, and she loves them so much that she's afraid to run out. Well, guess what? You don't have to. Now you can stock up again. Vivian loves anything with a mint or peppermint scent. We really do too.
Who doesn't?
And especially for winter time, like it's really, I'm a big, as much as I love Thanksgiving, I'm definitely that person who November 1st comes and I'm like, jingle bells,
Halloween's
like here
done,
we go.
Thanksgiving's over
We're
already.
ready for Christmas, the lights are going up, the tree's up, my peppermint scents are coming out, I'm ready. So Gwen wanted to let us know that her husband would absolutely love this stuff. You have a very spoiled husband, Gwen. I'm really happy for you and for what he's about to get for Christmas. Caitlin says that she's loving all of these add-on options. Thanks so much, Caitlin. And Jennifer asks, how do we get the men's box? So the men's box is available to shop right now in our winter add-on sale. It opened up to all members yesterday, so go ahead into the sale and you can snag it.
And we're actually going to talk about it here in a minute, but first, let's get into this fragrance. So this is a bot, it's a sequoia fragrance, and really it's in a super fresh scent. It smells like it's light, but it also has some smoky essence, some cedar wood, and sandalwood, plus the bottle is TSA approved.
Great.
Which for me, if I'm buying any kind of fragrance, it's got to be in a bottle that I can travel with, or else I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
So, do you want to give it a whiff?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, honestly, the scent is not just for men. I would totally wear it. All of my candles, all of that stuff, I love men's scents. It's just so refreshing, and it's definitely not masculine. It just reminds me of nature. It makes me want to go on another backpacking trip.
It's very gender neutral and it smells good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, so all of this talk about the sequoias is really, really making me want to take another hiking trip. Next up, we do have our Biaggi packable backpack, which is truly one of my favorite products to travel with. Not only is it super comfortable, lightweight, and durable, it's also waterproof, and it has a ton of storage. It's really great for traveling, especially if you're going hiking or something like that, because it folds up so small and goes into your luggage. And then when you're ready to take it out and start camping, you can pop it open, and then when you're ready to go home again, pack it right back down.
So this is super, I'm a really big fan of this, so, and I travel a lot. If you are used to traveling with like a bigger suitcase, but you still want to have a day pack, fold this up into the pack that it comes in, take it with you, and then you have an easy day pack to take around. It's pretty awesome. There's a lot of cool features to it. Obviously that it folds inside each other, and a ton of storage. If you guys want to take a look inside there and see how much you can put in. So.
And the backpack itself is super lightweight, so even if you've got a lot of product in there, you know that that's not going to be weighing you down. Personally, I know, being waterproof, that's a huge plus for me because I go to a lot of national parks and things like that, and I want to be sure that, my products aren't going to be ruined just because I'm taking them out. So at this point, guys, we have shown you 7 incredible add-ons, and I think it's pretty safe to say that both Dan and I want every item. We'll see who gets dibs on these samples when the cameras turn off. But you guys, this is the moment you have all been waiting for. It's our first ever men's box. Dan, would you like to do the honors of unboxing for us?
I would be honored to do that. So this is something I've been excited about for a long time. When you guys
really
released
coordinated with the box today.
I tried to
great.
match. I hope it worked out. I hope it looks good on camera for you guys. So this is, basically a nice treat for guys, especially if your men are stealing your products out of your FabFitFun box. This is a great item to give as a gift to your boyfriend, to your husband, to your dad, to your brother. All the kind of value that comes along with the normal FabFitFun kits, but specifically made for men. So we have all the products in here. We'll start off with the first one, which is the toiletry kit. This is the Mr. Turk, and it's super cool because it looks good, obviously. A ton of compartments to store products in, and we have a lot that you're actually going to get in this box that you can put in here.
And I know I've traveled with men before who go for the whole 8 Ziploc baggies style, and it's not a good look when you're going through that public security line. I'm embarrassed for you.
Yeah.
So you need to get a DOF kit and have that organized.
Super easy to remove and put everything in. So this is one of the items you can actually put in that kit. This is the Superhero Shave Cream. Now, what I like about this, it has argan oil, also has vitamin E, and it's paraben free. The cool thing about these, if you or your man hasn't used a kind of lotion shaving cream, it's a lot smoother than like the old aerosol, cans, and it's a lot more like soothing.
I think it's more moisturizing too. It's not so much, here, let's pop that open. Oh, it's almost just like a moisturizer.
It's just like a cream.
Oh, that's great.
Yep. So it's super smooth, especially if you're trying to, shave in specific areas. Like I have to shave my beard line. There's not all the foam everywhere.
Yeah, no ingrown hairs, no irritation, all that stuff.
So, and then, are you ready for the next one?
Oh, my favorite thing in the world.
So this is the Extreme Buffer. This is basically a built-in body buffer that cleanses and scrubs your body. So I have to admit, like, I love scrubs. We talked about it a little earlier, but this is cool because it's all in basically one sponge.
Amazing.
So you don't have to scoop anything out, and you can just add some water, scrub, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, any FabFitFun boyfriend or husband knows about the sponge gels. They probably have seen a good few transition in and out of the shower in multiple different vanilla and floral and beautiful, a little more feminine scents. We're really excited to be able to bring a men's specific buffer. So you get your own. You don't have to steal your wife's anymore.
Yeah, the smell is very, very good on this. All right, so the next we have the Richer Poorer socks. Now this comes in charcoal with pineapple print. And what I love about this, especially for the wintertime, is like everyone's got like some kind of pine sock or something. Yeah. So throw some pineapple in there. It's a really, really cool, very comfortable. It wicks. A great pair of socks for your man.
We love a Papa pattern sock.
Exactly.
Really brings some interest into your outfit.
And next we have the Radium earbud headphones. So these are very cool. If you've never used Bluetooth headphones, you literally just connect this through your phone through Bluetooth. It has 3 different sizes of fits, so it can fit different ears. And it's basically just a wireless headset you could use for work, for working out, any different activities. And I know a lot of people always want to know battery life on these. So the talk time on it is 3.5 hours.
Oh, wow.
The charging time is only 1.5 hours, which is a pretty cool ratio.
Awesome.
And then standby time is 180 hours. So you can literally keep this on throughout your workday, use it, go to the gym, and it's going to stay charged the whole time.
I can call my mom, tell her my whole life story. She can catch me up on all the reality TV shows she watches, and it won't die. That's great.
Exactly. All right, and so the next product we have is the V75. Now, this is a 4-in-1, and we've talked about this before. Guys love simplicity.
Yeah.
We want to eliminate.
I say lazy, you say simple. It's you know.
It works.
Tomato, tomato.
The thing is, there's benefits for both, right? Like, we don't have to have as many products. You guys, ladies, don't have to store as many of our products.
There you go.
And so this is a 4-in-1. Shaving cream, facial cleanser, shampoo, and body wash all in one. So when you talk about products that are convenient, especially for travel, this is something that you'll definitely be interested in.
This is a foam?
Yep.
Oh, I love a good foam. Let's see it. That was way too much.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry to whoever has to clean this up later. This is horrible. But
it's perfect.
Either way, you know, we get to learn more about it.
Hang tight right there. We'll get you some towels.
I'm going to have the cleanest hand you've ever seen.
I can give you some tissue paper here.
Thank you so much. I don't want you ruining your men's box,
Okay,
though.
thank you. Thank you. So let's go to our last item here. So this is a multi-tool money clip. Now, the cool thing about this, I'm a money clip guy. This is super thin, and it is a multi-tool in the sense that it has a ruler on it, it has a beer opener, bolt tightener, screws. It's pretty much got everything, and then obviously you put your money in there.
That's great.
It's a very clean, masculine money clip, and a great gift for the holidays.
Okay, I will try not to ruin this iPad with my hands, but I'm going to go ahead and read some comments. So Brenda wants to know if the Biaggi backpack is an add-on or in the men's box. That is a separate add-on, so you can just snag that on its own if you'd like. Kalia, I love that name, says that she's so happy this men's box is a thing and that you guys have been asking for this. You guys, I promise you, we are always reading your comments. It's no coincidence. We know you were asking for it, and that's why we put it together for you. Rebecca wants to know if you can customize the men's boxes. So the men's box for this round is actually just a one-time run, so there's no customization to it. But I will say, you know, I think we put a lot of care into making sure that all of the products are pretty universal and can work for anyone. Dorothy says we need a kids FabFitFun box. Dorothy, I love that idea, and it is already being funneled in the old ideas tank. This is so funny. I can't get over this.
You're foaming very well right now.
It keeps growing, and I don't know what to do about it, but we're just working with it. It's cool. And whenever stuff like this happens, I'm like, if anyone ever questions if these are actually live, like this is the proof, is that this is happening. Everyone is loving Dan. It's just a general comment,
Thank you guys.
which is no surprise. I had the pleasure of meeting Dan after working with him for quite some time. We met at our summer house a few months back, and he's just so lovely, and it was such a good time.
I'm going to come here more often.
Oh, yeah. You just get showered in compliments and love. It's great. And Samantha says she doesn't even have a man in her life, and she'd buy that box from Dan. You know what, Samantha? It's called manifestation, and if you get a gift for a man, maybe that man will enter your life.
Samantha, all I ask is that you email FabFitFun and say you want to be called the Dan box. That'll be my present. So
maybe you should curate a box for us.
maybe we can do that.